Yeah, what's up everybody, MotoLabDirtBikes.com here, just doing a quick unboxing video here of the Xact Pro 6500 twin chamber cartridge kit. And what this does is this is a drop-in replacement here for 21 plus air fork bikes across the line, you know, KTM Gas and Husky cross country and SX models, or the moto bikes. And it's really cool, a couple cool features. Unlike the old ones that had the rubber bladder in there, they use a metal pressure spring. So, super tunable. It's got external preload on there, compression on top, rebound on bottom. And we'll show you here. That's these are the original inserts. So, air spring on one side, and you only have the damper on one side. So, both of these are actually going to be dampers on both sides, and obviously you're going to have to get some springs. Springs are extra on these kits, and these are retailing for $13 on these. It's really cool as they just drop in. You got this cartridge. It's actually a bottoming out cone, which, as you can see, is attached there. Actually slips down right inside, so you don't have to swap the lugs, which is nice. On the older air fork, if you swap to the newer style 21 plus lugs, then we could put this kit in there as well. So you have a couple options here. If you want to send your stuff in, we could dial it in, do some custom valving on it as we develop more settings. And also, if you want, we could just send it right to your doorstep. If you're the DIY type, we can get you dialed in there as well. Obviously, fork springs are extra. Have to get your details, you know, and figure out your spring rate you're currently running in the rear and all that jazz too. So check us out, MotoLabDirtBikes.com, or just simply give us a call, 423-900-2233. We'll get you dialed in, get your specifics, and these kits are limited, so good option. It's nice. I see a lot of the guys over at the TKO running these things too, and we're hoping to get you some video here soon. Just been underwater with the recent storms coming in here. So hope everyone else is doing well out there, and we will get you dialed. Talk to you soon. Thanks.